You can have fun and improve your English vocabulary, pronunciation and grammar through songs. And I'm going to show you how. Let's go. I'm Deirdre Nicholas from Palm Tree Teaching TV, your personal language coach. And I'm here today to show you how you can use songs and song lyrics in a really fun and enjoyable way to improve your English. Listening to songs is a really relaxing and fun thing to do. And it's a brilliant way to improve your English too. Songs can improve your pronunciation and your grammar, and they introduce you to your new vocabulary and those all-important idioms. How? Well, let's look at pronunciation first. Singing along to your favourite English song will improve your pronunciation. Listening to the words will help you improve your own pronunciation and your listening skills as well, and improve your accent. You'll learn to get the rhythm English style and how to link the words to make your sentences sound natural and fluent. So, vocabulary. Listening to music and songs will help you to learn more vocabulary, new vocabulary, and quicker. And you'll hear new vocabulary in context. You'll also be much more likely to remember the new vocabulary if you hear it in a song rather than reading it or in the classroom. Songs are full of idioms and expressions, and you'll remember these really important idioms. Another great thing to learn through songs is grammar. Yay! You don't need to learn grammar in a structured way when you listen to music. Songs will help you to remember grammar patterns and show you how to use grammar correctly in normal, everyday conversation. So now I'm going to show you how you can do this. There are lots and lots of ways that you can use music to help with your English. Of course, you can just listen to music on your phone or your iPod as you're walking along, or if you're standing at a bus stop. Even just doing this will improve your pronunciation and your vocabulary and your English listening skills as well. But I'm going to share with you some exercises that will really kickstart your English learning through songs. Oh, before I do this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss out on any of my lessons and videos. Number one is really important to choose a song where you can hear the words, the lyrics really clearly. For example, Paul McCartney's When I'm 64. Now, this is not only very clear, but it's also great practice for the future tense. Number two, just listen to the song with your eyes closed and try and work out what the song is about. Is it a love song? Is it happy? Is it sad? Number three, listen to the song again and write down any words or phrases that you hear, whether you understand them or not. Then look up the words online. Just type in the singer and the name of the song and you'll find the lyrics. Number five, listen to the song and read the lyrics at the same time. Did you guess what the song was about correctly? Number six, look up any words or phrases that you don't understand in a dictionary and write them down. Number seven, listen to the song a few times and read the lyrics, and then wait for it. When you feel comfortable and happy, start to sing along. This is great for your pronunciation. Number eight, save the song onto your iPod or phone and listen to it at every available opportunity. Maybe if you're on a bus or a train or walking to work. The more you listen and sing along, the easier it will be to remember the vocabulary and the grammar. Here's some more of Paul McCartney.
Grandchildren on your knee, Vera, Chuck and Dave. Send me a postcard, drop me a line.
And here's another one which is really great. Justin Bieber. Enjoy this song and listen to the English.
You know I try, but I don't do too well with apologies. I hope I don't run out of time. Can someone...
Oh, by the way, make sure you go and watch my other videos, like and subscribe to this amazing channel where I help you improve your English fast and build your English fluency in a fun way.
Once or twice, I mean maybe a couple of 100 times. So let me redeem all myself tonight. Cause I just need one more shot, second chances. Yeah.
So enjoy learning your English, and I'll see you really soon. Bye.
Missing more than just your body.